Guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a camera comparison between Huawei Nova 3i and Nokia 7 Plus smartphones. So we will have a look on few images captured on both of these devices. On the left hand side there will be an image captured on Huawei Nova 3i, and on the right hand side there will be an image captured on Nokia 7 Plus, and you will decide by yourself that which device is better depending on your requirement. So let's start it. So that's all for now, friends. Which device you think is better when it comes to camera performance? Do not forget to share your feedback in the comment section below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, share the video with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.